What's up YouTube, back here again with another video, and today here we are again with another quad box. This is the quad box for the month of April, and luckily enough again, they got me the box in April. Super stoked about that. So here we go, let's crack into this bad boy and see what's happening in here. Alright, we got our sticker pack up here on the top. Looks like we got some bot grinder situation happening here. Rad X. Not really sure what that says. Bot grinder. Get some more of his stuff. I know this is the thing he puts up in his videos. It's kind of funny. Quad box. Alright, so that's a sticker pack. Whoa, look at that. I see a frame. The Rad X by Quad Box. So it looks like we got a full frame up in here. Unibody frame. Looks like a freestyle frame. It's a shame I really don't need a frame right now. Green. Looks like a pretty basic frame. 2, 4, 6 standoffs and a stack. 30 by 30, 20 by 20 stack there in the middle. Alright. So that's our frame. I'll put it together at the end and show you. Of course, I just got my floss style frame. Ain't that something? Alright, frame. Alright, we got some Umagrip. I've been wanting to get this stuff anyway, so kind of cool that that's in there. So we got a strip of Umagrip. Propellers, see what we got. Quad box. Grass cutters by HQ Prop. These are the 5x4/8 in a special 3 sets. All right, in a special thing. So it looks like our frame. All right, we got a discount code for BQE at bqe.io, so you can get the frame, the bot grinder frame. And we've got, which looks to be a prop wrench. That's kind of cool. It's a little adjustable Jim Jam. So you just put it on here, tighten, flip it over, loosen. I like that, that's cool. All right. And we got a battery strap. DroneRacingParts.com. Not a bad little strap, it's kind of thin, probably fit your micros. Alright, let's ditch the box and check out the shirt. Bot grinder. Looks like we got a bot grinder shirt. That's pretty cool. Bot grinder, FPV. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, let's recap and then I'll build up that frame for you real quick. Bot grinder t-shirt, 3 sets of 4x8 props, a prop wrench, Umagrip, a frame, stickers, and 10% off at bqe.io. Again, you know, I think these boxes are definitely worth their money. It's a shame I really don't need a frame at this moment in time. I guess I'll just save it, maybe transfer something later down the line if I break something or whatever. But there you go. That's what I got. I'll build the frame real quick and we'll patch that in. Okay, so here we go. Here's the frame. The Rad X by Quad Box. All right, we got a little Quad Box screen print. Got a nice long, you know, strip here for your battery strap. This is the strap that came with it. You can do 16 by 16 or 16 by 19, whatever you need there. Your camera mount here is made up for micro cameras. You got one here in the front. It's a Micro Predator. All right. Missing a screw. You got, looks like some holes in the back here for your antenna. For your, you know, to zip tie your FPV antenna. your video antenna back there. And there you go. I mean, that's that. So there you go. That's just, got a cool little frame. You know, hey, worst case scenario, you build this up with some older parts and you got a beater frame or something. Let's check before I go. All right, so you got the frame, you got the props, we got the Uma Grip stickers, 10% off, and bot grinder shirt, and the prop driver. Let's get a frame weight. All right. Okay, all built up, 110.5 grams. There we go with that. And let's check our measurements so you know. We've got a 4mm bottom plate. We've got a 2mm top plate. And that is all the parts. So there you go. All right, that's April's Quad Box for 2018. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.